Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to glitch through walls in Roblox. Let's get started. First, open Roblox on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, start by getting the Woman package or Rainy package. Equip the Rainy torso and Rainy left or right leg. Doesn't matter. After that, change your scaling of the avatar. Make it long. Make sure your body type is R15 and copy the rest of the settings. And also put your body type to 100%. Use tilt and salute emote to glitch walls. You can also increase the thickness of the walls to practice. This works in plenty of the Roblox games. And that's it. That's how you can glitch walls in Roblox on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.